Hello student, today I am going to take class 3rd mathematics first chapter, that is where to look from. This whole video is proposed by Vivekananda CBSE school proposed. So firstly I have to show one object, that is mug. So when I see mug from the top I will see only circular shape. Correct? Only a circular shape. When I see this mug from a side view, I can see somewhat cylindrical shape. Correct? Somewhat cylindrical shape. So every object has its own pattern or own shape from different view. Okay? You can see some from side view, some top view, behind. Correct? Different view from in the front view. Correct? This one is for me a side view. This one is a top view. Top view is a circular shape. So here are some examples for that. What is this? I bad at drawing. So what is this? It is a staircase. Correct? It is a staircase. So in which view this view is giving? We can see from side view this type of staircase. When I see from side view, I can imagine staircase like this. Correct? This is from side view. Understood? This one is a table. From which view you can imagine table as like this? Correct, from the top view. What about this? I wrote this one as a pencil. From which view you can see pencil as like this image? Correct, from the top view. What about this one? It is also one staircase. In which view you can see a staircase like this? You can imagine staircase. What is the view? Correct. Front view. Front view. Understood? See, when you see a car from a side view, you can see only two wheels. Correct? Is it right? A car has only two wheels? No. When I see from the front view, then also I can see only a two view. Correct? But when I see from the top, side and another one side, top view, all the side I will say, then I recognize that the car has a four wheels. Correct? You have to see from all the views. There is to look at the things from different perspectives. You have to look at the things from different perspectives. Okay? Different perspectives. So you have to draw some objects from the top view. You have to see from the top view. You have to write it down. You have to draw. Then that draw have to shown to your parents. Okay, father, mother, sister, anything. They have to recognize what's the object you have drawn. Okay, you have to look at it from the top view. Okay, you have to look at it from the top view. See, when you take one cooker, you have to see from the top view. Place it in a table and see it from the top view. You can some design, no? Then you have to write it down. Draw it down. Then you ask to your mother, what I have drawn in this picture. So, okay, you have to do it. Write 5 or 6 diagrams like this from the top view. Okay, next, moving on. You know Rangoli? You are all knowing that Rangoli. Correct? In any festival, they can put in front of the door. Correct? There are some designs are there. There is some patterns are there. Correct? Patterns are there. Patterns is nothing but repeated designs. Okay, patterns is nothing but repeated designs. So in the rangoli they are taking some dots, they are using some dots and joining that dots they are making a rangoli. Correct? I already drawn one design or pattern. It is not a rangoli, it is a one pattern. Correct? How to draw this one? Firstly, I draw dots, 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 dots. Row 4 dots and column 4 dots. Correct? Then I wrote one square. Joining these 4 dots with the line, I drawn a one square. Again I draw another one square. Again I draw another one square. Again I draw another one square. Okay. Then I want one more, no? Okay. Then I join this one. Again I join like this and like this. Somewhat like this, no? Correct? Square shape and the one diamond shape. Now, can you complete this one? What shape it is? I already joined these 2 dots and these 2 dots. Can you write one shape? One geometrical shape? What is that? Triangle. I can write triangle by joining these 3 dots. Correct? What about this? I can draw one rectangle or somewhat square, not properly a square, it is a rectangle, by joining these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Okay, understood? Can you write some more objects like this using a dot? Can you write a kite? Can you draw flower? Using a dot. First, in a one page, you will put dots, okay? You are going to put dots like this, okay? Take one page and make dots like this. And you have to draw kite by joining these dots. Sorry, by joining these dots. Then, kite over, flower is over. Then a leaf. A leaf have to write. 1 is kite, 2 is flower, 3 is leaf. Then can you write boat? Can you write boat? A boat you have to write, and you have to write a star. You have to write a star. You have to draw the kite, flower, a leaf, a bird, a boat, a star using these dots. You have to put more dots to draw these and all. Okay, you have to write dots. Understood? Different sides, different views. This one, and this one is about pattern. Then we are moving to mirror halves. Okay, we are moving to mirror half. You already know the mirror, that correct? The reflection of any object. Mirror is used to reflection of mirror. When I stand in front of a mirror, I can see myself, correct? What I am, I can see myself in a mirror. That is reflection. What is mirror half? I already draw a one triangle, correct? I already draw a one triangle here, correct? When I place a one mirror here, when I place a mirror in a dotted line, I can see exactly a half of its triangle in a mirror, correct? Like this, I can see like this in a mirror. You have to keep one mirror in a dotted line, then you can see exactly half of this triangle, correct? That means mirror half. You can't get a correct mirror half when I fold like this. See, I will fold like this, okay? I will fold like this. When you place a mirror here or here, you can't see exactly a half of it. You have to place it properly. You have to place it properly. When only you can get a exact half of this triangle, correct? That one. Another one, when I cut exactly, we get a equal part. No, when I when I cut like this, when I cut through a dotted line, I will get exactly a half of that triangle, correct? Two triangles are identical. So that means this object is symmetrical. See, this object is symmetrical when it does not cut equally. See, if I take this diagram, I draw a dotted line here. Red one is a dotted line, okay? When I cut through this, I cannot get exactly half of this, no? See, another half this one, another half this one. I could not get a correct half of this one, correct? That is asymmetrical objects. Symmetrical objects and asymmetrical object. When I cut an object, if I get a equal part, then it is a symmetrical. If I didn't get an equal part, then it is called a asymmetrical. Understood? Mirror half and symmetrical and asymmetrical. This one is a symmetrical. This one is not a asymmetrical and also not a mirror half. You can't get exactly half, correct? This one is not a mirror half also. Can you can you guess this letter? I wrote only a half of it. Can you guess this letter? In the alphabet we have this letter. Can you guess? S. It is a H. Somewhat you can identify the objects, no? Or object or a letter when I looking at a half of it. Correct? Now, can you guess this letter? Can you guess this letter? Yes, this one is a B. Now, can I get a equal half? Equal half when I cut through this dot. This one is a small tree like picture, okay? Can I get exactly a half of this picture when I cut through this dotted line? I should get exactly a half. No, correct? So when I cut through this dotted line, I did not get a symmetrical object. So this is a asymmetrical object when I cut through this line. Correct? When I cut through this line. When I cut through like this, can I get a symmetrical object? Yes, I can get two identical objects, two equal part. Understood, no? What is symmetrical and what is asymmetrical? Then, what about this? No. Correct? What is this? It is one a small rectangle. Okay. When I cut through this, or when I place a mirror in this dotted line, can I get a mirror half? Yes. Good. Very good. Now, can you guess this letter? Word. Can you guess this word? Yes. Cook. Understood, no? Understood, no? What is symmetrical, asymmetrical, mirror half? So, in this class we learnt about what? Different perspective, different views of one pattern. One object. Different views of one object. That is from the top view, side view, front view, etc. Then we move on to the patterns. Then we move on to the patterns. In that, we have looked into the different patterns using dots. While joining a dot, we are getting one pattern. You have to write kite, flower, a leaf, a boat, a star. Correct? Then mirror half. Mirror half means exactly a half of that. Exactly a one object. You have to get exactly half of what we are showing in a mirror. Okay? Asymmetrical and symmetrical. When we get a equal part after a cutting one picture or an object, that is a symmetrical. When we didn't get an equal part, that is asymmetrical. Understood? These are all in this class today.